everyone. Welcome back to Lexipath English Podcast, where we make English simple, natural, and stress-free.
I'm Jack, and I'm here with Anna. And today we're covering something that confuses almost every English learner.
Before we start, quick reminder. If you're enjoying this podcast, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.
It really helps us keep creating content for you.
And today's topic actually came from one of our subscribers.
Yes, thank you so much for sending your request. We love when you tell us what confuses you.
Because if it confuses you, it probably confuses thousands of other learners too.
So today we're talking about 3 tiny words that cause massive confusion. Be, been, being.
And by the end of this episode, you'll understand exactly how to use them, naturally, without stress.
No boring grammar rules, just real English.
Let's start. Okay, Jack, let me ask you something honest.
Go ahead.
When you were learning a new language, did you ever feel scared to speak?
Oh, all the time. I was terrified of making mistakes.
Same here. I remember thinking, what if I say the wrong word? What if people laugh?
Exactly. And I think most of our listeners feel that way too.
So if you're listening right now and thinking, I'm just not good at English.
Stop. Right there.
You're not bad at English. You're learning, and learning takes time.
Now, let's talk about why be, been, and being confuse so many people.
It's not because you're bad at grammar.
It's because these words look almost identical, but they're used in completely different situations.
And most textbooks just throw rules at you without explaining when and why you actually use them.
So today, we're doing it differently.
We're going to show you how native speakers use these words in real conversations.
No rules, no memorization, just natural English.
Let's start with the simplest one.
The word be is like the foundation. It's where everything starts.
We use be when we talk about something general, something we want, or something we're advising someone to do.
Let me give you a super simple example.
Please.
I want to be confident in English.
Perfect sentence. Notice something. You're not saying you are confident right now.
And I'm not saying I was confident before.
You're talking about a goal, a dream, something you want in your future.
Exactly. So be is often connected to wishes, advice, and instructions.
For example, a teacher might say, "Be quiet, please."
A friend might say, "Be careful when you cross the street."
Or your mom might say, "Be kind to your sister."
These are not long actions. They're simple ideas.
And they're super common in daily English.
Now, Anna, let me ask you something.
Sure.
If I say, I want to be happy, is that correct?
Yes, absolutely. Perfect English. Very natural.
Good. Now, listeners, I want you to try something.
Even if you're alone, say this sentence out loud.
I want to be, and then finish it with your own word.
Maybe successful.
Maybe confident. Maybe fluent in English.
That's be. Simple. Natural. No stress.
Now let's move to the next one. And this is where people start confusing.
Ah, yes. Been. This word scares so many learners. People always ask me, Jack, when do I use been? I don't understand.
So let's calm everyone down right now.
Been is connected to the past, but not just any past.
It's about experience, something that happened before and it still matters now.
Let me give you an example.
Please.
I have been tired all day.
That sounds very natural.
I'm not saying I'm tired right this second. I'm talking about my experience throughout the day.
Exactly. You're connecting the past to the present.
Another example. I have been to Paris.
Very common sentence.
I'm not saying I'm in Paris now.
And you're not saying when exactly you went.
I'm just saying I experienced it. I went there at some point in my life.
So been is all about experience.
Now here's something super important.
Yes, listen carefully.
Been never stands alone.
It always needs help. It needs have or has.
You don't say, "I've been tired."
You say, I have been tired.
You don't say, "She been working."
You say, she has been working.
Think of been like a word that doesn't like being alone.
I love that. Been is social. It needs a partner.
Exactly. Now let's give a real-life example.
Imagine someone asks you, why do you look so tired?
You can say, "I've been studying all night."
Perfect. That explains your situation.
Or someone asks, "Have you ever tried sushi?"
You say, yes, I've been to a Japanese restaurant before.
See, been connects your past experience to the present conversation.
Listeners, repeat this sentence with me.
I have been learning English and I'm getting better every day.
Beautiful sentence. And totally true for all of you.
Okay, now the most interesting one.
Yes, being.
This word is all about now, about this moment.
It's about behavior, especially temporary behavior.
Let me explain with a story.
Good idea.
Imagine you have a friend who is usually very talkative, very loud.
Okay.
But today, they're sitting quietly in the corner.
That's unusual.
So you might say, "You're being very quiet today. Is everything okay?"
Ah, notice what just happened.
You didn't say, "You are quiet." That sounds like their personality.
You said, you're being quiet. That means today is different.
Exactly. Being talks about temporary behavior.
Let's compare two sentences.
Okay,
Sentence 1. He is rude.
that sounds like his personality. He's always rude.
Sentence 2. He is being rude.
That means right now, in this moment, he's acting rude. But maybe he's not usually like this.
See the difference?
Being gives space for change.
And that's why we use it a lot in relationships.
For example, "You're being too hard on yourself."
Or, she's being really kind today.
These sentences notice behavior, but they don't judge forever.
Now, let me give you one more example.
Please.
Imagine you're trying to focus, but there's noise outside. People are interrupting you. Everything is going wrong.
Frustrating.
You might say, everything is being so difficult today.
Perfect. You're not saying life is always difficult.
You're saying today, right now, things are tough.
That's being.
Okay, now let's put all three words together in one story.
Great idea.
Imagine someone learning English.
Like our listeners.
Exactly. This person says,
I want to be fluent in English one day.
that's be, a goal, a dream.
Then they say,
I have been practicing every single night.
that's been, effort over time, experience.
And finally, they say,
I'm being more confident when I speak now.
that's being, a change in behavior happening right now.
Same person, same journey, 3 different words.
And when you understand them like this, they stop being scary.
They start being useful,
And most importantly, they start coming naturally when you speak.
which is exactly what we want.
Now, let's talk about mistakes because honestly, this is where most learners panic.
Yes, people know the words, but when they speak, their brain freezes.
They think, wait, is it be, been, or being? And then nothing comes out.
And that silence is worse than making a mistake.
Exactly. Making a mistake in English is not a crime.
Staying silent is worse, because when you stop talking, you stop learning.
Let's look at some common mistakes and fix them gently.
First one, I am been tired.
I hear this all the time.
The correct sentence is, I have been tired.
Next mistake. I being happy today.
The correct sentence is, I am being happy today.
Or, more naturally, I'm being really positive today.
See, small change, but it sounds natural.
Another one. I want to been confident.
The correct sentence is, I want to be confident.
Sentence 2. He is being rude.
After want to, we always use be, not been.
Now, listeners, don't be scared of these mistakes.
I do it every day.
Me too. Nobody dies because of a grammar mistake.
What matters is that you keep speaking.
Flow matters more than perfection.
All right, let's wrap this up.
If you remember only 3 things from today, remember this.
Be is about your goals, your dreams, and what you want to become.
Been is about your experience, your journey, and what you've done in the past.
Being is about your behavior right now in this moment and how you're acting today.
You don't need to memorize grammar rules.
You don't need to be perfect.
And if you want more simple, stress-free English lessons, subscribe to Lexipath English Podcast.
We're here to make English feel easy and human.
Thanks so much for listening.
Bye, everyone.